Hello and welcome everybody. This is the Doncaster Motorcycles YouTube, Facebook, whatever channel you see this on, this is where it's from. Doncaster Motorcycles, Dr. Tepi, and this is a CB125F. We do a lot of chain sprocket replacements on the 125s because we go through them, so here's another little video. I've done one before, but it keeps people interested to see the state of them and what's involved in replacement. So it's going to be a bit of a time lapse. So super fast with a little bit of music in the background, and you'll see sort of what's entailed, and then you can slow it down and pause it at the point that you think you need a bit more reference on. So I'll try and get good angles from both sides so you can see what's going on. That's it. It'll be a little good video for you. There you have it, ladies and gentlemen, boys and girls, chain sprocket replaced. So you notice the big difference in the pictures in the front sprocket cover and the rear sprocket carrier. Does help to clean up, we don't have to. But obviously I've got a bit of OCD, so I can't help myself. But as you can see, it looks a lot nicer than it started. I'll try and do a audio over the top of the video, but in the time lapse you don't notice, you might not notice which way around I put that. That's the horseshoe clip I like to call it a fish, and make sure you put it on so it swims in the direction of the flow of the water. It's not the water, it's the chain, but you know what I mean. Always make sure it goes on in that direction. Goes the other way, it might come off. Don't know how, but that's the official line on it. So yeah, everything's adjusted up. New split pin in there. Everything tightened up. Ready to rock and roll. Ready for another. They don't last long on these 125. That's why I'm doing another video. This gent probably gets about 3,000 miles out of each set, to be fair, but he does use it every day. I don't think he uses it very often, but I think that's why they don't last as long. So plenty of lubrication, keep it clean, plenty of lubrication and regular adjustment, it will last longer. But the 125s do get some abuse. And they're on this skinny little, what are the 4 to 8 chains, not very big. I hope that interested you. I like doing them when I've got the time. Now, because I've done this, I'm now behind with everything else, but I'll soon catch up. So thanks for watching. Please like and subscribe and do all that stuff below, or comment or like, or I don't even know where I'm going to post it. I'll see you later.